Hello, Pioneers.
On today's agenda, we'll be going over
How to Gabriel and Jace catch a leprechaun.
Jason Josiah with our community show.
And St. Patrick's Day student interviews.
My name is Jace.
My name is Aiden.
And welcome back to your Pioneer Report.
Hey Jace, have you seen the Mount Whitney musical show?
No, I haven't. Was it good?
Let's go to our community show to see what it's all about.
So, I'm Crystal and I played Mal.
I'm Ethan and I played Ben.
I'd say it was really fun. It was a great experience working with different people. There was also a lot of effort that was put into it, and there was a lot of hard work that was expected out of us.
I would say it was a really great experience overall. You get to become friends with a lot of different people that you don't ever really know. And I would just say it was a lot of work overall, yeah.
Yes, for sure. It's really fun.
I would say the same thing as long as you could put work into it.
As long as you're able to dedicate a good amount of time and you stick through it.
Here, I put a love spell on the prince. We're dating now. So during the ceremony, I'll only be interested in the one.
My name is Miss Payne, or Mrs. B, and I am the director of the musical. I love musical. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of long hours. It's a lot of weekends, but in the end, it's always worth it. Absolutely. There's nothing better than being involved, and the more kids we get out there, the bigger a production it can be for the school, and the more kids we get involved, the better it is for the school.
I'm not going back without you.
If my mom finds out that you're here, you're not going back at all. Hide.
Hi, I miss you
No!
too.
Hide!
Oh, bonkers. That looks so good.
Let's move on to our how-to show. Hello everyone, welcome to the how-to segment
Today we're going to be catching a leprechaun.
featuring Elias Garcia as our leprechaun. Alright, so in order to catch our leprechaun, we're going to be using this box that we borrowed from Yearbook, and then we're also going to need a stick or a piece of wood. Wow, those leprechauns sure are tricky.
Hi, my name is Jaden and I'm here with
Albertino.
Hi, and we're going to be asking one question here today. How do you spell leprechaun?
Leprechaun.
And I'm here with
Jennifer.
How do you spell leprechaun?
Leprachun.
I'm here with
Jace.
Con.
Okay, Leprechaun.
Anthony.
Lepricon.
Yeah, that's right.
Nathaniel Martinez. Leprachun.
Yeah, that's right.
Tank. Leprechaun.
Hey, he got it though, right? He got it.
Selena. Leprechaun?
Yeah.
Lepe. Am I spelling it?
Alex. Leprecron.
Hey, he got it.
Liliana. Lephuruc.
I don't know about that one, but yeah, alright.
My name is Anna. Lip. I don't know. That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Good job.
Chase. Leprechaun. Lepercon.
I don't know if that's 100% right, but he might have got it though.
Our students are really good at spelling.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Students, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos.
And make sure to follow us at our Instagram.
Until next time, this has been your Pioneer Report.
Yeah, I feel like it's more calming. It's not like forced.
Like really silly.
How long did it take you to get this? Shut up! It's not that bad.
Almost good
Okay,
though.
we're good.
So
Wait, give us a 3, 2, 1. I need a 3, 2, 1 over here.
Are you serious right now, Miss Bring like a little slightly. Oh, that's good. That works.
That's good.
Oh, he's doing it. Look, and let me.